I welcome you to this session. In this lecture, we are going to discuss about big data. Our very first question arises, what is big data? Big data can be defined as a collection of data that is huge in size and complex in nature, that cannot be handled or managed by the traditional data management tools are termed as big data. Our next question is, what is the classification of big data? Big data is classified into 5 V's: volume, velocity, variety, veracity, value. Let's understand 5 V's with an example of IT company. Volume: through emails, text messages, video chats, an IT company generates volumes of data every day. For example, 100 GB per day. Velocity: through attendance records, internship resume, creates a lot of data which could be generated at high speed. This is known as velocity of big data. Variety: as the name indicates, the different variety of data managed or handled by the company. Generally, there are three variety of data: structured, semi-structured, unstructured data. Veracity: accuracy in data is known as veracity. Value: generate more and more employment through managing of big data is known as value of big data. Our next question is, how do we store and manage big data? Big data can be managed by various frameworks like Hadoop, Cassandra, Spark. Let's understand Hadoop framework. Hadoop stores and processes big data. Hadoop uses a distributed file system known as HDFS. Now let's understand how Hadoop works. Your file or big data will be broken down into smaller parts and stored in various machines. In this manner, you can store your data into a distributed way. Big data is very helpful in day-to-day life. For example, big data helps in disaster management. Big data helps in creating employments, management of files, etc. It is If you want to stay connected and stay updated about the recent technologies, then subscribe to our YouTube channel.